And through all the good times and the hard times, he has stayed positive and worked hard for all of you. So, it gives me great pleasure with Scrappy next to me to give you this, which says the Diamond Award presented to Justin Bieber in recognition of Baby for 12 billion in sales, making Baby, hold on. Making Baby the #1 most certified song ever in U.S. music history. Congratulations. Make some noise for Justin Bieber!
Honestly, you guys want me to do a speech right now? Alright. Well, first and foremost, I want to thank all of my believers in the audience tonight. Second of all, I want to thank all my believers at home. You can cheer for them too. I want to thank my mom for always believing in me. My dad. I want to thank these beautiful dancers on stage for killing it each and every night. Thank you. I want to thank my band on stage, killing it. And can I thank you guys one more time? Is that cool? Where should I put this? You gonna take it? Okay. So, I should probably leave them with this, right? Who wants to be my baby?